know what they were about. It was all a trap. Suddenly, those close forests would bristle with rifle barrels. Iron-like brigades would appear in the rear. They were all going to be sacrificed. The generals were stupids. The enemy would presently swallow the whole command. He glared about him, expecting to see the stealthy approach of his death. He thought that he must break from the ranks and harangue his comrades. They must not all be killed like pigs. He was sure it would come to pass unless they were informed of the dangers. The generals were not idiots to send them marching into...
They were idiots.
Oh, sorry. The generals were idiots to send them in... The generals were idiots to send them marching into a regular pen. There was but one pair of eyes in the corps. He would step forth and make a speech. Shrill and passionate words came to his lips. The line, broken into moving fragments by the ground, went calmly through fields and woods. The youth looked at the men nearest him and saw for the most part expressions of deep interest, as if they were investigating something that had fascinated them. One or two stepped with overvaliant airs as if they were already plunged into war. Others walked as upon thin ice. The greater part of the untested men appeared quiet and absorbed. They were going to look at war, the red animal, war, the blood-swollen god. They were deeply engrossed in this march.
Okay. It's interesting that now he doesn't personify war. What does he do with it? How does he define it?
The red animal.
The red animal. War, the blood-swollen god. Why is it blood-swollen, Austin?
There's just a lot of blood shed.
Yep. Yep. Lots of blood. So, good paragraphs, and well written, well structured thoughts. And every once in a while, he throws in a very unusual thought. So what's the word harangue mean? Oh, sheesh. Nobody else? Okay, we need to have that. Let's go.
Knows or has it written?
Huh?
Knows or has it down?
If you don't know it, then you better write it down. If you have it written down, you better get to know it. Oh, that's what I was going to tell you. Miss Raquel had the temerity
Better write that down as a vocab word.
to come to Mr. Henderson and say, we are not happy
Whoa.
as a class. We need a word bank.
Whoa. That's not quite
Whoa! Say whoa!
theory.
Whoa! Whoa, man!
We were talking about.
So, from now on, I will provide you a word bank.
It's just a
All
box
of
that
the
says word
vocab.
bank.
We were talking about this for
Keep that
fill in the
there.
blanks,
Nothing
not
inside,
for
just-
anything.
And there it is. Oh, it's a word blank. I'm sorry. I missed an L. No, I will provide you a word bank.
Thank you.
Probably not put the right words in it.
Yeah.
I will. Yeah, I will put more than is necessary. However, this is what I want you to know is so from now on, any words that you've had thus far are fair game for quizzes and tests.
So this far, you mean that we've had to turn to you for a definition? Or this far as in, what does that mean?
From the beginning.
Our
of class.
list, or does that mean from previous quizzes? Does that mean only?
The list
All the
that
lists
you
you've
gave
given
us.
us.
All the lists I give you, all the words that we write down, that I write down, all the words that I write down are fair game from
Sounds
now
good.
on.
For any quiz. So
For any
you
quiz.
can bounce.
Any test.
For quiz 3 can be bounced back to 1.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Good job, Raquel.
I'm just
Good
making
one, John.
sure, because we tend to always be confused and have to go to it.
Yes.
You tend to be confused.
Don't point at me.
I
Sisterhood.
said true. I was agreeing.
See?
Yeah.
So
What?
why
I
are you
wasn't
saying?
talking, it's talking to Raquel.
Ladies, please.
Okay, who's
Riley, have you noticed that in our class, the men never argue and fight, but the girls do?
that was my money.
Don't tell me I live my life.
Done deal.
Okay, I take that back. Girls, stop. Ladies, you're fine. It's these two girls that I'm having trouble with now. You're okay, so we're starting on page 26. I gave you page 30. And what do we have left? Time-wise? Nothing around.
8 minutes. 7 minutes.
Should go to Hebrews.
Technically, don't we?
Stops at 11:40.
Technically what?
Do you know what the original schedule for the year, what time this class ended?
Dang, I don't know.
35. 35.
Caitlin came in here and told me
Well, then why do
something.
the younger kids always pile up in the hallway? I don't know.
Because they're on a different schedule because they are junior high. Junior high is definitely on a different schedule from us. So this alarm goes off at 11:30. So this class is out at 11:35. Would you stop that neurotic behavior?
Do we have to put that on the list?
Neurotic? Or
You're
Clayton?
welcome.
You can put either one. They mean the
What's the
same thing.
second?
In the dictionary, you go to neurotic.
Neurotic
Synonym, Clay.
Can we have that one for a bonus question?
Yeah.
Next question.
Extra credit.
Extra good.
What's that?
Okay, we start page 26 tomorrow. You may have class time to work on 30, what I gave you today.
Thank you.
Oh, 7 minutes. You're so kind.
You're on,
could kill.
you're on camera, Mr. Henderson. You can't do nothing.
And the synonym of death would be Austin.
Dear me.
Is death defying act?
He's still
Yeah,
alive.
tomorrow, that's just an appearance.
Physically, yes.
Okay, so, children,
Yes.
you're being so rude. You're being so moody. All right, turn off the thingy because I'm not gonna say anything else.
Have short chapter 4.
Bye, Riley.